Alright, so now I've got my isolated final product. It does stink, something you can't really see in this video. But to this I'm going to add 2 mLs of bicarbonate. The bicarbonate here is just more to neutralize any phosphoric acid that might have transferred over. So next step here, transfer it into our SEP funnel. And to this, we're going to wash it with 10 mLs of deionized water. Take it, give it a good shake. We're going to let the 2 layers separate out, and once they're ready to go, we'll pour off the lower aqueous phase. Now this is a particularly stubborn separation here. So you see the 2 layers. Part of the reason we're getting this whiteness is that there's kind of some aqueous phase dissolved in the organic phase. We're going to take this out with the magnesium sulfate, but otherwise we're ready to go on the separation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower off that bottom aqueous layer. Now we're ready to drop it into drop the organic phase into a beaker. Alright, so what we need to do next is dry off this organic layer. To do that, we're going to work with some anhydrous magnesium sulfate. So we're going to add this. Now again, there's quite a bit of water in this. Sometimes this just kind of happens with this synthesis. So if I throw in the mag sulfate, you can already see it's starting to clarify quite a bit. And again, it just happens sometimes, and I've seen this with labs, sometimes it just gets stubborn and doesn't like to separate out. But yeah, it's clarified a lot more now. So we can tell it's dry because we're no longer getting clumping of the magnesium sulfate. So now we're ready to take our dried solution, decant it into a clean pre-weighed beaker. And now we're ready to go for the post-lab analysis, or the post-chemical analysis.